Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sujata. Today we will start with our first lecture, that is History of Genetics. Hippocrates, these are also known as the father of medicine, was a renowned ancient Greek physician and a philosopher. They proposed the idea of seed from parents contributing to the offsprings. Aristotle introduced the concepts of inheritance, that is, the transfer of the traits from one generation to another, and the development, suggesting that traits could be transmitted from parents to offsprings. Gregor Mendel, yes, everyone, this is the main person who is behind this genetics, and he conducted experiments on pea plants and established foundational principles of inheritance known as Mendelian genetics. It is a very renowned principles including the concepts of dominant as well as the recessive traits. The next one is the chromosome theory. This theory was proposed by scientists called Walter Sutton and Theodore Boveri, linking Mendel's law of inheritance with physical structures, that is the chromosomes which are present in the cells. Now, the discovery of the nucleus. Understanding cellular components including the chromosomes, it was all mentioned under the discovery of the nucleus. Now, the Thomas Hunt Morgan, this person is behind the experiment which took fruit flies as a Drosophila melanogaster to explore genetic linkage and the role of chromosomes in inheritance, that is how these chromosomes are very much useful in the transfer of the traits from one generation to another. Now, what is gene? The term gene was first coined, leading to the identification of units of heredity. The DNA structure, you all know, behind this structure, that is the DNA, James Watson and Francis Crick, with the help of Rosalind Franklin's X-ray diffraction images, discovered the double helical structure of DNA, that is deoxyribonucleic acid. Molecular genetics. It is the emergence of techniques to study genes at the molecular level, including the central dogma of molecular biology. Human genome, a landmark international scientific research project to map the entire human genome, completing its sequences in 2003. Gene therapy, development of techniques to treat genetic disorders by altering the genes. Last but not the least, that is the CRISPR, emergence of a revolutionary gene editing technology that allows for precise modifications to the DNA of the living organism. Now, what is CRISPR? It is full form as clustered, regularly interspaced, short palindromic repeats, which is a technology that allows the researchers, the scientists to modify the DNA in a living organisms. Now, what are the current trends in case of genetics? Genomic advances. It is helpful in sequencing technologies that have led to an explosion in genomic data, aiding in personalized medicine and understanding any genetic diseases if available. Now, the ethical consideration, ongoing discussions regarding the gene editing, genetic privacy, and the implications of genetic technologies in the society. Now, I'll discuss very important 10 interesting facts about the genetics. First, genetic similarities. Humans share about 99% 99.9% of their DNA which with each other regardless of ethnicity or background. This small percentage accounts for the differences in physical traits, that is, the morphological features and susceptibility to diseases. Now, the fruit fly. The other name or the technical name, zoological name is the Drosophila melanogaster or the common fruit fly. You can observe these common fruit fly on guava or some fruits which are like being preserved from last 2 or 3 days, and these fruit flies shares about 60% of its genes with humans. Very interesting, right? That is an insect, and how it is sharing 60% of genes with the human beings. How? Now there are many reasons. First can be the common ancestry. All living organisms share a common ancestor at some point in evolutionary history. As species evolve, they inherit genes from their ancestors. Those shared genes can determine fundamental biological functions. Second can be the basic cellular function. Many genes are responsible for basic cellular processes and functions such as metabolism, cell division, DNA repair, and etc. These fundamental processes are similar across various life forms, which leads to a high percentage of shared genes. The other, conserved genetic sequence. Certain genes are highly conserved through evolution because they perform essential functions that have been maintained over millions of years. These genes are often crucial for survival and are found in many organisms, leading to the genetic similarities. Some other facts like lactose tolerance. You all have heard about the ability to digest lactose, that is a sugar found in a milk, into adulthood is due to a genetic mutation. This trait evolved in certain populations after the domestication of dairy animals. Now, the largest human gene. The largest human gene is known as titin, that is TITIN, which is responsible for the muscle function. It contains around 3 lakh base pairs and can produce over 38,000 amino acids in the protein. Now, what is the length of a DNA? Okay, the average length of the DNA, and which would stretch about 10 billion miles, that is, can be enough to go from Earth to Pluto and come back to Earth. See the average length of the DNA. Now, the genetic drift. Genetic drift is a process that can cause changes in the gene pool of a small population due to a chance events, leading to differences in traits over generation. Everyone, this genetic drift, many times it has been asked in the examination, like your entrance exam for the PhD or for the other degrees, and for the CSIR or UGC NET. Now, the other important or interesting facts are the telomeres and agings. Telomeres are protective caps at the end of the chromosomes that shorten with each cell division. When they become too short, the cell can no longer divide. See, there is a limit for the cell also. At a certain extent, they stop dividing, which is linked to aging and age-related diseases. Last but not the least, epigenetics. Environmental factors can influence how genes are expressed without changing the DNA sequences itself. This field is known as the epigenetics, which will indicate how your lifestyle, diet, and environmental exposure can impact gene expression and potentially be inherited. These facts highlights the complexity and the fascinating nature of genetics and its implications for biology, medicine and our understanding of life. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I will share this content in the PDF format with this video. Thank you once again.